Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to transfer money from Opay to Opay. Transferring money from your Opay account to another Opay account is a quick, convenient way to send funds without visiting a bank or a physical location. Opay's digital platform lets you to move money instantly to friends, family or merchants who also use Opay. In this guide, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to ensure the transfer is smooth, secure and hassle-free. So make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And if this video is helpful to you, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Now let's get started. The first step is to tap on your Opay app to open it. So let me tap on it right away. In case you don't have the Opay app, then you have to download it, and if you don't know how to download it, then go over to the description. I will leave a link right there that will show you how to actually download and install the Opay app and also create the Opay account. Just go over to the description of this video. You will see the link to the videos. Tap on the link, then watch the video. You will learn how to download and also how to create an Opay account. So after that, now what you have to do is to log in. So let me quickly log into my Opay account. Then let me tap on login. You can see, guys, I've been logged in now. Now for you to be able to transfer money from your Opay account to another Opay account, what you simply have to do is to tap on where you can see to Opay. You can see it right there at the top. So let me tap to Opay. Right here you can see what's written here. It says transfer to Opay. Opay transfers have satisfied more than 10 million customers. You can see the 4 reasons why it has actually satisfied these 10 million customers. You can see the first one, they said free. Transfer is always free. Then the second one is zero issue, 100% success rate. Then the fourth one is instant, credit in seconds. That means the person you're actually sending the money to will receive his or her money in seconds. Then the fourth one, which is the last one, is stable, no network failure. So guys can see so what you have to do now is to tap on next. So let me tap on next. Right here is the next step. So what you're required here to do is to input the Opay account number of the person that you want to send the money to. You can see where it is written recipient account. So you have to input the recipient account right there, or you can just input the phone number, removing the first digits of the phone number. It's all the same thing. So let me tap on where you can see phone number / Opay account number / name, and also you can also search the person out using the person's name. If you input the person's name, the details of the person will pop out. So let me just input the account number since I have it, the Opay account number. Then let me go ahead now to paste it. You can see, guys, I've pasted the account number, which is usually the phone number, and as you can see, immediately I pasted the account number, the name of the person appeared. You can see the name of the person right there. So guys, you have to take note of that. Once you input the recipient account number, the recipient Opay account, make sure that the account number tallies with the phone number, with the account number. So after that, now what you have to do is to tap on the name of the person, the account number itself, to select it. So let me tap on the name of the person. You can see, guys, it's loading. Right here is the next step. You can see at the top right there, the name of the person is there as well, and the account number is just below the name of the person. So that's one of the way you can use to confirm that all you're doing is right. Then the next step now is to input the amount that you want to send to the person. So let me just input 2,000. So let me type it in. Right there, guys, can see I've inputted 2,000, and also if you look below that, you're going to see that there are suggested amounts that you can actually send. You can see it right there: 500, 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000. These are frequent amounts that people do send. So now after you're done inputting the amount, the next step you have to take now is to input a remark. The remark is actually optional. This remark is just like the description of the transfer that you want to make. Let me say the reason you're actually making the transfer. Let's say, for instance, you want to pay for your electric bill. You're paying for your electric bill. Your remark can be just electric bill. The remark is just asking what the payment or the transfer is for. So let me just input airtime, or let me just input gift. This is a gift to someone. So after you've inputted the remark, which is actually optional, you can leave it blank. You have to tap on where you can see confirm. So let me tap on confirm. Here's the next step. It says reminder, double check the transfer details before you proceed. Please note that successful transfers cannot be reversed. So guys, you have to make sure that you check through the transaction details, the name of the person, the account number, the bank and the amount. cross check it. Once you're cool, then you tap on continue. So let me tap on continue. But in case there is a mistake, then you have to tap on where you can see recheck, then to take you back to where you have to correct the account number or the amount. So let me tap on continue since everything is correct. You can see, guys, it's loading up. Then yeah, it says 2000. So this is more like the full details of what you're going to carry out, the transaction you want to carry out, the account number of the person, the name of the person, the amount to be sent, the payment method, the available balance that you have, the amount that is going to be deducted from your account. So guys, these are all that you can see. So after you have seen all of this, then you tap on pay. So let me tap on pay. Then what you have to do now is to go ahead now to enter your payment pin. Your payment pin is the 4-digit pin that you normally use to authenticate your transaction, to give the go ahead for them to send the money. So let me go ahead now to input my payment pin. You can see, guys, it's loading up. Wow, guys, you can see transfer successful. You can see it right there, the amount is 2000. So guys, this is how you can be able to transfer money from your Opay account to another Opay account, and I believe this video was helpful to you. You can see it is very easy to transfer from Opay to Opay. So if you got value from this, do it to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you in our next upload. Bye. Peace.